Changing one character in a string. What is the easiest way in Python to replace a character in a string? For example,
don't modify strings. Work with them as lists, turn them into strings only when needed. Python strings are immutable, i.e. they can't be modified. There are a lot of reasons for this. Use lists until you have no choice, only then turn them into strings.
Fastest method? There are 3 ways. For the speed seekers, I recommend method 2. Method 1. Given by this answer, which is pretty slow compared to method 2. Method 2, fast method. Given by this answer, which is much faster. Method 3. Byte array.
Python strings are immutable, you change them by making a copy. The easiest way to do what you want is probably. The text1 column returns the string in text from position 1 to the end. Positions count from 0, so 1 is the second character. Edit. You can use the same string slicing technique for any part of the string. Or if the letter only appears once, you can use the search and replace technique suggested below.